Hello Mickeleh, I've been watching some of your videos recently, and if nothing else, you've convinced me of the value of a good video response. So when you sort of implicitly challenged your viewers to try out that little spoonful of sugar hiccup remedy, I thought that would be a perfect opportunity for me to make a video response to you. Unfortunately, I only know of one thing that consistently gives me hiccups, and that's really spicy foods. So, what I'm going to do is slowly eat this habanero pepper, hopefully not this one, until I get hiccups. Then I will attempt to cure myself with this spoonful of sugar, and I've brought along this glass of beer to console myself as I die afterwards. Not yet. So here we go. Let's not get too carried away. I'm a fan of spicy foods, but not death. It's not bad. I have a feeling when I get to the seeds, we'll run into some greater difficulty. I'm kind of frightened. Things might be a little past due. I should not be able to do this so painlessly. Oh. Yeah. There's a little kick. Seeds. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just ate a habanero pepper. I don't think it's doing its business yet. Because I'm not dying. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna be dying soon. Oh, hiccups, please. Yes. Oh, there was one. Come back. Oh, I should have hiccups by now. Mickeleh, I'm suing you. Alright. I just threw down a whole habanero pepper. And if it doesn't give me hiccups, I don't think anything will. We're sweating now. Tingling on fire. Wow, tingling through the whole body. Really? This feels like a little central nervous system disaster, actually. So, I'm gonna go ahead and eat the spoonful of sugar right now. Ah, that's actually very soothing. This is crazy. This does not feel healthy. Does not feel healthy at all. But it's beginning to subside. It's coming back very strong. I wonder what I look like. Because I feel a lot worse than whatever that is. I can't really move my hands as well. It's like a little partial paralysis. This is unbelievable. Alright, I feel like I'm kind of dying, so. Oh, that doesn't help. That kind of helps. Alright, bear with me. When I'm sure that I'm not actually going to die, when we're on the little downslope of this experience, I'll cut this off. Alright. Oh, more beer. Alright, the buzzing has gone away. My mouth is still really on fire. But I can make facial expressions again. I can move my hands. So, thanks for putting me up to it, Mickeleh. That was an extraordinary experience. And I have no hiccups. So, it works, right? So what was that like? That was like when I've fallen asleep maybe with my arm under my body and I wake up and it's almost paralyzed and it's just buzzing. You can't really feel much except for just sort of nervous system haywire. It was like that all over my body. I'm not kidding. I eat a lot of spicy things. I've done the Blazing Challenge at Buffalo Wild Wings. I've had this burning in my mouth before, but never. That felt like coming out of anesthetic. It felt like going under. It felt like some kind of powerful drug. And I don't think I'm going to do that again. Unless somebody dares me to. And there must be rewards.